Hey guys, welcome to my mom's YouTube channel. I hope to subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel because she's about to make my hair today. Please subscribe to her YouTube channel and make it be a fun thing. If it's taking long, you can just watch it too long. You can just watch it a little bit, and if you're so tired, you just go to rest. Please subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. Pretty, please.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Beauty by Ada here. You're all welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then you're seeing this face for the first time, you're hearing this voice for the first time, please be sure to click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video, you don't get to miss any of my videos. Welcome back to my channel guys, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back in. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much. If you watch this video and you feel like you love this video, you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, as this helps my channel to grow and other people to also know my channel as well. So I really do appreciate all your help in me growing my channel, and I hope you guys learn a whole lot from this channel. I hope you guys are learning, because in this channel I am doing all makeup and hair tutorials. So everything here, I'm just teaching you guys. I will just be teaching you guys everything that I know, okay? As a makeup artist and a hairstylist, I'm just teaching, giving out all the knowledge that I know. So you don't want to miss this channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know whenever I upload my next video. So I will just be showing you guys how to do this kids simple feeding braid. It's just like a straight back simple feeding braid, and it's so cute. Like, you know, kids are cute, right? So their hair is always, everything about kids are just so cute. So I just hope you enjoyed this video. It's very self-explanatory. I will not be doing much talking so that I can allow you guys to watch and learn how you do this. Okay, so just keep watching, and I'll see you guys towards the end of this video. Make sure you watch till the end so that you can see the end result of the hair. So make sure you keep watching till the end. I really do appreciate you all. And you guys don't mind my hair. I don't know how many times I'm going to say this, but we had our wash day, and you know, everybody had their wash day, and I had to do the kids hair. And also guys, if you have any video suggestions, please don't forget to leave that in the comment section. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell this pretty little girl how beautiful she looks, because she'll be reading that with me, maybe. Yeah, so please tell her how beautiful she looks in the comment section down below, so that I know, like, she started the video. So just give her a big thumbs up and share these videos with your friends and family. Tell her how beautiful she looks, and leave your comments. If you have any video suggestions, if you want me to show you how to do your wash hair day for kids, if you want to see what our wash routine is, our hair wash routine is, I will definitely do that video for you guys. Just leave any video suggestions in the comment section, and I will definitely get back to you guys. I really do appreciate your feedback, so please do give me give me your feedback. I really appreciate that, as it helps my channel to grow as well. So for this braiding, just for people that don't already know, I used my what's it called, shine and jam. Yes, I used my shine and jam and a little bit of braiding hair, not too much. When I'm doing kids hair, I just don't like doing too much, because I want them to be as free as anything. I want them to be, you know, I want them to be free. I don't want anything too much, anything too heavy for them. So that's what I use. And I already have a video on how I grew out her hair, how I grew her hair. Like, I started seeing noticeable changes under 2 weeks. You guys go check that video out. I'll leave it in the end screen after this video, or I'll also leave it in the comments in the description box down below, and I will leave a link up here so you can go check that video out. So you guys, after the hair, I went ahead to trim out the excess hairs from there and then apply my mousse on her hair. I did not bother applying hot water because it wasn't anything too much or anything too serious, so I did not bother dipping it in hot water. So I just trimmed out the excess hairs, to make it look neat, and then I just applied my mousse and tied her hair with the head wrap. And after that, I opened up the head wrap, and you guys, she was looking so beautiful. Oh my god, she looks so cute. This is a simple hairstyle you can do for your child at home. Just look at all that mousse on her head. So I always say this in all my videos: if you know you have a child that wouldn't sit still, please do not apply hot water. Do not bother dipping it in hot water. Please, 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 I beg of you, do not bother dipping it in hot water. A mousse will be more than enough. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope she looks pretty. I hope she looks beautiful. Please don't forget to leave your comment in the sub-comment section, and if you haven't subscribed already, click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you know when next I post a new video. And please leave a big thumbs up. Give this video a big thumbs up, guys. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.